Hello readers, and thank you for joining me for another spelling lesson. We are in SAVVAS MyView Literacy Unit 4, Lesson 5 for 3rd grade. Our lesson this week is on homophones. And I know what you're thinking. Didn't we just do that last week? Actually, we didn't. But first, let me tell you what a homophone is, and then we'll talk about what we did last week too. This week we're doing homophones. Last week was homographs. A homophone is one of two or more words that sound the same but are spelled differently. Here's a perfect example. We have the number 8, E-I-G-H-T, and I think she ate some cake and ice cream, A-T-E. They sound the same. They have one sound. Homophone, if we break it up, we have homophone. First one means one. Phone means sound. So they have one sound. Homograph would be one set of letters. Graph has to do with the letters. And against the homo has to do with one again. So this week we're doing homophones. They have one sound, but they're spelled differently. We're going to go through our same process as before. We're going to say the word, map the sounds, tap them. We're going to spell it, we're going to smash it, and then we're going to write it. I did put the homophones together this week, so you'll be able to see them side by side and know how they're different. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first word is 8. Say 8. Map the sounds. 8. 8. Spell it. A-T-E. 8. And let's write it. And I think we've already said we know what 8 is. It's the past tense of the word eat. Yesterday, I ate a donut. 8. And our next word is 8. Again, say 8. Map the sounds. A. That whole E-I-G-H says A. Next, let's spell it. E-I-G-H-T. 8. And let's write it. Of course, this is the number 8. I did not eat 8 donuts, but I did see 8 I wanted. The next word is cell. Say cell. Map the sounds. S-E-L. Cell. Spell it. C-E-L-L. Cell. And let's write it. And of course, cell actually is a multi-meaning word. It can have to do with like a prison, or it can have to do with science. All the little cells that make up a human body. And the next word is cell. Say cell again. Map the sounds. S-E-L. Cell. Spell it. S-E-L-L. Cell. Of course, this cell has to do with buying and selling things. S-E-L-L. I might sell you a donut. I'm thinking about donuts this morning. And let's write it. Oh, we already did. Hopefully you did. Our next word is deer. Say deer. Map the sounds. D-ear. Deer. And let's spell it. D-E-A-R. Deer. And let's write it. If you're writing a letter to somebody, you might say, "Dear friend." And that's this deer. But the other deer, say it again, deer. Map the sounds. D-ear. This deer, of course, is the animal. Let's spell it. D-E-E-R. Deer. And let's write it. D-E-E-R. Very good. Our next word is duel. Say duel. Map the sounds. D-U-L. Duel. Spell it. D-U-A-L. Duel. And let's write it. This dual would be like D-U-A-L. Next word, dual. Map the sounds, D-U-L, dual. Spell it, D-U-E-L, dual. And let's write it. D-U-E-L. Of course, these, one has to do with like a battle, and one has to do with something you would do together. It's got a dual purpose. It has more than one purpose. Next word is pause. Say pause. Map the sounds. Pause. Pause. Spell it. P-A-W-S. Pause. And let's write it. Of course, this has to do with like animal feet. The dog had some big paws. Next word, of course, is pause. Say pause. Map the sounds. P-A-W-S. Pause. Spell it. P-A-U-S-E. Pause. And let's write it. And this pause is if you just wait. You might be playing something on TV and you push the pause button to make it stop just for a minute. Oh, we already wrote it. Hopefully you did. P-A-U-S-E. Next, we have our high frequency words. This video is going fast today. I know you're thrilled. Next word is government. Say government. A big word for a big thing. Let's sound it out. G, v, n, I, n, t. Government. And let's spell it. G-O-V-E-R-N-M-E-N-T. And let's write it. Do you know all the branches of the government? I'm not going to tell you. See if you can figure it out. And last, our word is material. Say material. Tap the sounds. T, ear, ol. Material. I think I butchered that one. Let's spell it. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L. Material. And let's write it. Material. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L. That's our last word for the week. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. And of course, until next time, happy reading.